Hey, so what's up? So in this video, I had to cut off the last bit because my battery died, and I was like almost done with the brake job. So if you guys want me to film how to reinstall the front caliper and all that stuff, I will. But it's pretty self-explanatory. But anyways, enjoy the vid. Really loving these brakes. They're really awesome, guys. I'm really liking them, and they really look good. So it's gonna start raining here. I'm gonna go back inside and edit this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know. Peace. Alright guys, so first I think I'm gonna take off the brake line, which up here, and then you can probably barely see. Let me see if I can get this one. Up here should be a tear flare, or a flare. I would use a flare 10 on this. Let me see. Yeah, that's a 10. Alright. So next, see if I can get all these off in one take. Down here, something else holding the line. Right there. Step by step, baby. I always like to put my bolts back in so I don't lose them. I lose bolts a lot. This guy will be hitting with the 14. And let the brake fluid release. Alright, let me get this off and then I'll be right back. So fuck it. Okay, before you start taking off this caliper, make sure your parking brake's off or you're going to be cussing for no reason trying to pull this damn thing off. Don't worry, we all make the mistake. Dude, anybody watching this video, I guarantee if they've done brakes before and they had rear discs, they've made that mistake. Looks like we got a little bit of a sticker here, boys and girls. So this will do this sometimes. You gotta hit this thing. I think it's a 17. It has the push kind. You can see this. Fuck. Good thing I have the tool set for it, but still, those suck. Yeah, it was time. Look at that. It was time. I don't know how well I can get the backs, but they're 14s. One right here. Whew. Let's drop my camera. Boom. Easy peasy, guys. Alright, so if you're gonna be working on cars a lot, taking off rotors and shit like that, I mean, not necessarily taking them off a lot, but if you're gonna be working on cars, you're gonna be doing brakes a lot, you're gonna wanna get one of these impact screwdrivers. It makes it so much easier to take these off, I'm telling you. See if I can put my money where my mouth is. Not supposed to reuse these, but I reuse them. Ooh. Gloves are way too thick to like have any dexterity with. No one cut brake job today, guys. Just can't stand up fast like I used to. Everything's just inconveniently in my way right now. Alright, tighten these down a little bit and then we'll do the brake lines. Alright guys, let's keep it going. Do the brake line first. It should be a 14. Let that bleed out for a second. Should be 12s. And it fits.
Alright, these 17s are being a little stubborn, so I'm gonna keep on you guys and use a little air pot real quick. I'm sorry for being brakes the other day. I just worked 8 hours.